This is at the Equitable building. Look at this amazing, amazing interior. This is incredible. Absolutely stunning. All right. I'm ready when you are. Oh, wait, dude, look. Oh, never mind. I thought that light comes on too. Oh, it rang again. Look at these cabs. Very, very cool. All right, up to 9. Here, hold it for a second. I just want to show the upper floor. Look at this. Very beautiful. All right, let's get that bell. Oh, it's not going to work for us. What a shame. It's not a broken rubber band. Yes, it is.
2?
We'll go to 1, but we'll end it on 2. I want to let it open on 1 just so I can show what the lobby looks like. And as you can hear, it was modded by Montgomery, or possibly Montgomery Kone, but I'm putting my bets on
Definitely Montgomery.
Yeah. Montgomery Kone never really used
3
atoms.
1.
Look at that. Anyway. Go to 2. We should ask about the service elevator because it is a manual. And let me get a shot of this panel. Look at that. Beautiful. And here's what your panel looks like. And let's go down to 1. Still uses incandescent bulbs too on the buttons. I like that.
Yeah, that's definitely Montgomery.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look, Montgomery. It says it right there. I thought that was a phone cab.